Are you tired of weak coffee from your pod machine? Wondering if the Nespresso Vertuo Next can finally deliver that cafe-style brew at home? You're not alone. With bold claims of barista-level crema and smart brewing tech, the Vertuo Next is turning heads. But is it worth the hype or just another pod machine gimmick? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the real-world performance of this popular machine. And trust me, the verdict may surprise you. Product overview. The Nespresso Vertuo Next is a premium single-serve coffee and espresso maker by Nespresso, a brand under Nestlé. Launched in 2020, it's the latest evolution in the Vertuo line, targeting coffee lovers who want variety, convenience, and a touch of luxury at home. Unlike traditional Keurig machines, it uses centrifusion technology and barcode scanning to optimize brew settings for each capsule. The Vertuo Next caters to users who crave everything from bold espressos to 18-ounce carafes without sacrificing taste. Its slim design, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and use of 100% recycled plastic also make it a forward-thinking choice in today's eco-conscious market. Performance. In real-world use, the Vertuo Next impresses with its ease and consistency. With a one-button operation, brewing is as simple as inserting a pod and pressing start. Within 25 to 35 seconds, the machine warms up and begins brewing your selected beverage, be it a single espresso or a full cup of coffee. The centrifusion technology, which spins the pod at up to 7,000 RPM, ensures rich crema on every pour, even for larger drinks. In stress tests involving back-to-back brews in different cup sizes, the Vertuo Next maintained consistent temperature and quality. However, some users report occasional machine errors or connectivity issues with the app, though these are infrequent and often resolved with a reset. What really stands out is the flavor clarity. Each blend retains its distinct aroma and body. Whether you're a light roast drinker or a dark espresso lover, the Vertuo Next delivers impressive depth and smoothness in every cup. Features and tech. Centrifusion technology. Instead of forcing water through the pod, Vertuo spins each capsule, allowing even extraction. The result? A thicker crema and more aromatic coffee, especially compared to Keurig-style pressure systems. Barcode scanning. Each Vertuo pod includes a barcode that tells the machine the optimal brewing parameters: water volume, temperature, and spin speed. This set-it-and-forget-it feature ensures you always get the brew intended by the roaster. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Vertuo Next connects to the Nespresso app, allowing firmware updates and notifications about descaling or empty water tanks. While not essential, it's a nice bonus for tech-savvy users. Compared to competitors like the Keurig K Supreme Plus, the Vertuo Next excels in cup quality and crema, though it lacks the flexibility to use third-party pods. Design and build. At just 5.5 inches wide, the Nespresso Vertuo Next is perfect for tight countertops and modern kitchens. Its minimalist design features clean lines, a matte finish, and a sliding pod receptacle for easy loading. The machine feels sturdy for a unit made largely from recycled plastic, though the lid mechanism can feel slightly flimsy if handled roughly. It's available in several colors, from neutral white and black to bold chrome and red. The 37-ounce removable water tank is on the smaller side, but it's easy to refill. Pros. Incredible coffee quality and crema for a pod machine. Wide range of drink sizes, espresso to 18-ounce carafe. Eco-conscious design with recycled materials. Smart barcode brewing ensures optimal flavor. Cons. Only works with Nespresso-branded Vertuo pods. App connectivity can be glitchy. Smaller water tank than some competitors. Price and value. Retailing between $129 and $169, depending on the color and bundle, the Nespresso Vertuo Next sits in the mid to premium range for pod machines. While it's pricier than basic Keurig models, the difference in cup quality more than justifies the investment for daily coffee drinkers. You'll also want to consider pod cost. Vertuo pods range from 90 cents to $1.30 each, which can add up. Final verdict. So, is the Nespresso Vertuo Next worth your money? If you're someone who craves high-quality coffee at home without the mess or complexity of espresso machines, the answer is a strong yes. It's perfect for busy professionals, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants premium results with minimal effort. With its unique centrifusion technology, automatic brewing presets, and sleek, eco-friendly design, the Vertuo Next stands out in a crowded market. Just be ready to commit to Nespresso's pod system